today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wise with your Stripe account using a process that's straightforward and easy to follow. Whether you're new to these platforms or simply looking to enhance your payment options, this guide will walk you through each step clearly. Before we start, ensure you have your Stripe account credentials ready and that you're logged into your account for a seamless experience. Now let's dive right in. Start by visiting your Stripe account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your Stripe activities. This platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, but with the vast array of features it offers, knowing where to navigate is key. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the Settings tab. This is usually found in the left-hand menu. Clicking Settings will reveal a variety of options related to your account configurations, billing, and more. We're specifically interested in the Payments section today. Click on Payments, and you'll be directed to a new page where all your payment options are listed. On the Payments page, look for Payment Methods. Clicking this option will bring up a list of available payment methods that you can connect with your Stripe account. This section allows you to customize how you receive payments, offering flexibility to suit various business needs. Here, you'll typically see options like credit cards, bank accounts, and sometimes third-party payment solutions like Wise. If Wise is available as an option, you'll notice a toggle or button that allows you to turn on Wise. By clicking this, you'll connect Wise to your Stripe account, enabling payments through Wise. However, if Wise isn't listed in your options, don't worry. It's possible that this feature hasn't been enabled universally, or it might not be available for your specific account type just yet. Unfortunately, in my setup, Wise wasn't available as a choice, but it's worthwhile to check yours as Stripe frequently updates its offerings. Once you've enabled Wise, your setup is essentially complete. You can start accepting payments through Wise, providing an added layer of convenience for your clients and customers who prefer this method. If you need additional customization or support, don't hesitate to explore the help resources provided by Stripe, which offer comprehensive guides and troubleshooting tips. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can try to integrate Wise with your Stripe account, potentially enhancing your payment processing capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your journey with Stripe simpler and more effective. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check back for more tutorials on optimizing your digital tools.